Very good morning, students. Welcome to today's online class. From the previous lecture, we have discussing about the specific heat capacities. Specific heat capacities में हमने मोनोएटॉमिक गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स एंड डायटॉमिक गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स के बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया था. लेट अस सी फॉर ट्राइएटॉमिक गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स. सो इन ट्राइएटॉमिक गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स we have discussed about the two types of orientation. हमने ट्राइएटॉमिक गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स में इसके गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स के दो टाइप्स के अरेंजमेंट्स देखे थे हमने. फर्स्ट इज लीनियर, फर्स्ट इज नॉन लीनियर एंड सेकेंड इज लीनियर. इन केस ऑफ नॉन लीनियर अरेंजमेंट कैसे होता है इसका अरेंजमेंट? लाइक दिस. And in case of linear arrangement, this is the linear triatomic gas molecule and this is non-linear triatomic gas molecule. Now for in case of linear triatomic gas molecule, let us see for first non-linear diatomic gas molecule. In case of non-linear, total degree of freedom या degrees of freedom is 6. How? We have formula F is equal to 3n minus k. And in case of non-linear, this is the orientation of three molecules in triatomic gas. तीन एटम्स के अरेंजमेंट है. तो इन केस ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ k is 3 and n total number of particle या total number of atoms is 3. So from here we can calculate 3 cross 3 minus 3 is equal to 6. So in case of non-linear triatomic gas molecule, degree of freedom is 6. Now let us calculate the total internal energy for 1 mole of non-linear triatomic gas. Number of particles या number of atoms in 1 mole of gas is equal to number of particles in 1 mole of gas is equal to Na, which is Avogadro number. And from the according to law of equipartition of energy, energy along a 1 degree of freedom, how much is equal to 1 by 2 kBT. So in case of total degree of freedom 6, that will be how much for one molecule, or we can say one atom. एक एटम के लिए जो टोटल एनर्जी कितना होगा? टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ अ atom of gas, that is equal to 6 by 2 into kBT. Yeah, 6 by 2 kBT is equal to how much? 3 kBT. And for 1 mole of gas, because total number of particles in 1 mole of gas is equal to how much? Na. So total energy of that number of molecules will be how much? 3 kBT into Na. this is equal to 3 kb and T, and kb Na, kb into Na is equal to R, so 3 RT. This will be the total internal energy of 1 mole of triatomic non-linear gas molecules. This is the total energy of non-linear triatomic gas molecule. So molar specific heat at constant volume. Let us see molar specific heat at constant volume. From here, U is equal to 3 RT, and molar specific heat at constant volume, molar specific heat at constant volume, Cv is equal to du upon dt. So from here we can calculate d upon dt is equal into डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे 3RT का, that is how much 3R. Cv is equal to Cr. Now molar specific heat at constant pressure, Cp is equal to Cv plus R. This will be 3R plus R. How much? 4R. Now the ratio of Cp and Cv. Ratio of Cp and Cv. How much? This is equal to Poisson ratio. Poisson ratio Cp upon Cv is equal to 4R upon 3R. 4 by 3. This will be 1 point. The value of 4 by 3 will be 1.33. This will be the molar specific heat at constant volume for non-linear triatomic gas molecule. Molar specific heat at constant pressure is equal to 4R for non-linear triatomic gas molecule, and ratio between this Cp and Cv, this will be how much? 1.33. Now let us see in case of linear triatomic gas molecule. So in case of linear triatomic gas molecule, second case, linear triatomic gas molecule, this is the orientation of triatomic gas molecule. So and total number of degree of freedom will be how much? F is equal to 3n minus f, 3n minus k. This is k is equal to 2, and total number of particle will be 3. 3 into 3 minus 2, how much? 7. So in case of linear triatomic gas molecule, total degrees of freedom will be how much? 7. So let us see. For 1 mole of gas, total internal energy will be, जैसे हम फाइंड आउट कर रहे थे, इन केस ऑफ 7/2 kBT, U is equal to 7/2 kBT into Na, because there are 7 degree of freedom. 7 into 1/2 kBT, because for 1 degree of freedom there is average kinetic energy will be how much? Half kBT. So into 7, because having 7 degree of freedoms. Now for total number of Na molecules, Avogadro number is the total number of molecules in total number of atoms in 1 mole of gas. 1 mole of gas में टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स या टोटल नंबर ऑफ एटम्स होते हैं एवोगैड्रो नंबर के इक्वल में। सो यहाँ से हमको टोटल इंटरनल एनर्जी मिल गया, टोटल इंटरनल एनर्जी this will be is equal to 7/2 kb into n is equal to r, then total internal energy will be 7/2 RT. Now CV, molar specific heat at constant volume, du upon dt. This will we will get 7/2 RT, डिफ्रेंसिएशन हो जाएगा इसका। तो ये हो जाएगा, डिफ्रेंसिएशन कैसे होता है आप लोगों को पता है, दीज आर द कांस्टेंट टर्म dt अपॉन dt दैट इज इक्वल टू 1। तो यहाँ से मिल जाएगा हमको 7/2 R। ये हो जाएगा मोलर स्पेसिफिक हीट एट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम, एंड मोलर स्पेसिफिक हीट एट कांस्टेंट प्रेशर, this will be is equal to how much, CV plus R, because CP minus CV is equal to R होता है। इसको आप लोगों ने प्रूफ भी किया है, केमिस्ट्री में भी प्रूफ है, फिजिक्स में भी। then CP is equal to how much, 7/2 R plus R, CP is equal to 9/2 R. So let us find out the ratio between CP, ratio of CP and CV. Ratio of CP and CV. Gamma is equal to CP upon CV. How much? 9/2 R upon 7/2 R. That is equal to 9/7 and is equal to how much? 9/7 डिवाइड करेंगे तो we will get 1.28. This is the Poisson ratio, known as Poisson ratio, and is equal to 1.28 in case of linear triatomic gas molecule. हमने triatomic gas molecule के ओरिएंटेशन को 2 टाइप्स में डिवाइड किया है। फर्स्ट इज नॉन लीनियर एंड सेकंड इज लीनियर। So from here we have got the value of CP and CV. Now in case of polyatomic gas molecule, हमने मोनोएटॉमिक का देखा, डायटॉमिक का देखा, ट्राइएटॉमिक का देखा। लेट अस सी फॉर polyatomic gas molecule. So average energy of each molecule, अगर हम 1 mole of gas लेते हैं, if we are considering 1 mole of gas, it contains Na number of atoms, where Na is Avogadro number, and from the law of equipartition of energy, average energy of each molecule is from the law of equipartition of energy, equipartition of energy, average energy will be average energy of each particle is equal to how much of each particle या each molecule बोल सकते हैं is how much, F/2 kBT, where F is degree of freedom. If a particle has F degree of freedom, then average energy of each molecule will be how much, F/2 kBT. Now internal energy of 1 mole of gas, internal energy of 1 mole of gas, because 1 mole of gas contain Na number of particles. So total internal energy will be how much, U is equal to F/2 kBT. It is the energy of 1 molecule, and we are having total number of molecule is equal to Na in a 1 mole of gas. So into Na. From here we will get how much? F upon 2 Kb into Na is equal to R and T, where Kb is बोल्ट्जमैन कांस्टेंट, जिसको हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस भी किया था कि Kb represents the Boltzmann constant and Na is Avogadro number, T is temperature. So it is the total internal energy of 1 mole of gas. It can be a monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, tetraatomic, pentaatomic, कितने भी नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स या मॉलिक्यूल्स जिनसे मिलके बना हुआ है, इट कैन हैव. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट polyatomic gas molecule. Total energy will be how much? F upon 2 RT, where F is degrees of freedom of that molecule. Now, in case of polyatomic gas, CV will be how much? Molar specific heat capacity at constant volume, du upon dt. So let us put here the value of u. We have got F upon 2 RT. On differentiation we will get how much? F upon 2 R. This is the value of CV. F upon 2 R. Value of CV if the degree of freedom is F. Now CP, molar specific heat at constant pressure. This will be how much? CV plus R. We will get FR by 2 plus R. We will get how much? CP is equal to 1. We can write here F by 2 plus 1 R. This will be molar specific heat at constant pressure. Now specific heat ratio, जिसको हम पॉइजन रेशियो बोलते हैं, this will be how much? Gamma is equal to Cp minus Cv. That will be Fr upon 2 upon में F by 2 plus 1 R. On solving this we will get what? We will get F by 2 and from here F plus 2 and 2. So we will get F upon F plus 2. Sorry, इसको हम फिर से कैलकुलेशन करते हैं. CP, we have to put the value of CP at numerator. F upon 2 plus 1 R upon F by 2 R. So from here we will get how much? F by 2 plus 1 and 2 by F. So on solving this we will get what? We will get 1 plus 2 upon F. This will be the relation या ratio between Cp and Cv. Now units of Cp and Cv. These are the capital C, small p and capital Cv. So what is the unit of this Cp and Cv? So we have seen that this Cp and Cv, these two Cp and Cv, molar specific heat at constant pressure and constant volume, we are getting these two terms in terms of gas constant, like Cp is equal to 4R, Cv is equal to 3R. So these are gas constants, and gas constant, the unit of gas constant is joule mole inverse per Kelvin inverse. So unit of Cp and Cv will be how much? This will be joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse. This will be the units of Cp and Cv. Now let us see numerical problems. कुछ numerical problems देखते हैं. First one is calculate the internal energy of 1 gram of oxygen. Question is calculate the internal energy of 1 gram of oxygen. 1 gram of oxygen. 8 NTP, normal temperature and pressure. So to find out the internal energy, we have to know the degrees of freedom. We are having oxygen, and we know that oxygen is a diatomic molecule, because oxygen will always occur in the form of diatomic molecule like O2. So it is a diatomic molecule, and molar mass, this is diatomic molecule, and in case of diatomic molecule 8 NTP. इसके डिग्रीज ऑफ फ्रीडम कितने होते हैं? इसके डिग्रीज ऑफ फ्रीडम कितने होते हैं ये हमको पता होना चाहिए. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मोलर मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. This is 32. How? Because this is diatomic O plus O, it having 16 and it having 16 is equal to how much? 32. So molar mass of oxygen is 32. Now energy associated with 1 mole of oxygen. Energy associated with 1 mole of oxygen. हमने डाइएटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल के लिए 1 मोल ऑफ जो डाइएटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं उसका जो एनर्जी होता है, एवरेज एनर्जी होता है, उसको हमने फाइंड आउट किया था. एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू, बिकॉज फॉर डाइएटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम विल बी 5. डाइएटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल के लिए डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम कितना होता है? 5 होता है. तो एनर्जी एसोसिएटेड विथ 1 मोल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, हाउ मच? U is equal to 5/2 kV, RT. हमने इसका डेरिवेशन किया हुआ है इन केस ऑफ डायटोमिक मॉलिक्यूल के केस में. सो इंटरनल एनर्जी ऑफ 1 ग्राम ऑफ गैस, इंटरनल एनर्जी of 1 gram of gas. 1 mole of gas contains 1 mole of oxygen gas contains how much? Molar mass is 32. So 1 mole of gas, oxygen gas, contains 32 gram of molecules. So internal energy of 1 gram of gas या 1 gram of oxygen, 32 ग्राम के लिए या 1 मोल के लिए उसके पास जो एनर्जी है कितना है? 5/2 RT. सो 1 ग्राम के लिए कितना हो जाएगा? 32, या इसको 1 मोल को हम ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर देंगे, 1 मोल या 32 ग्राम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. तो इंटरनल एनर्जी ऑफ 1 ग्राम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन क्या करेंगे? 32 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. दिस इज टोटल इंटरनल एनर्जी, एंड इंटरनल एनर्जी इसको हम स्मॉल u से रिप्रेजेंट कर देते हैं, स्मॉल u. सो स्मॉल u इज इक्वल टू internal energy of 1 mole of oxygen gas upon molar mass. This will be how much? 1 upon 32 into 5 by 2 RT. R की वैल्यू होती है, वैल्यू ऑफ R इज 8.31 जूल मोल इनवर्स केल्विन इनवर्स. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ R. तो यहाँ पर हम वैल्यू ऑफ R को पुट कर देंगे and we will get the value of small u, which is internal energy of 1 gram of oxygen gas. यहां से हम पुट कर देते हैं वैल्यू को. u is equal to 1 upon 32 into 5 by 2 into 8.31 into 8 normal temperature. So what is the normal temperature? 0 degree Celsius or 237 Kelvin. We are putting here 273 Kelvin, because we have to always put the value of temperature in Kelvin scale. किसी भी हम न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं तो इन केस आपको हमेशा जो टेम्परेचर की वैल्यू है केल्विन में ही, क्योंकि SI यूनिट ऑफ टेम्परेचर इज केल्विन, तो आपको केल्विन में ही यूज करना है. सो यहाँ से वी विल गेट द internal energy of 1 gram of oxygen gas. By calculating this, we will get how much? 177.2 joule. 177.2 joule, because it is the form of energy. So SI unit of energy is in joule. So it is the internal energy of 1 gram of oxygen. Now let us see another example, another numerical problem. A cylinder of a fixed capacity. A cylinder of fixed capacity 44.8 liter. 44.8 liter. Contains helium gas at standard pressure. Contains helium gas at constant pressure and temperature. What is the amount of temperature? What is the amount of heat needed to rise the temperature? Amount of heat needed to rise the temperature up to 15 degrees Celsius. 15 degrees Celsius, rise the temperature by 15 degrees Celsius. up to मतलब उस टेम्परेचर तक, लेकिन by मतलब उतना इंक्रीज करना है. So value of R is given. R is 8.31 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse is given. We have to find out the amount of heat needed. So first of all, we are having helium gas, and we know that helium always occurs in monoatomic form. These are the monoatomic gas molecules. Let us solve volume. What is given? Volume of helium. Volume of helium gas is given. How much? 44.8 liter. And we know that the 1 mole of gas contains how much volume? Yeah, we can say 22.4 liter of gas contains 1 mole of gas. 1 mole of gas is equal to how much? 22.4 लीटर. किसी एक मोल गैस का जो वॉल्यूम होता है कितना होता है? 22.4 लीटर. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ 1 मोल ऑफ हीलियम एट एसटीपी, ये एसटीपी पर होता है. नाउ so we are having the total volume this much, so number of moles is equal to total volume upon volume of 1 mole. Total number of moles, the number of moles will be this much, and we will get how much? 44.8 upon 22.4. we will get 2. This is number of moles of helium molecule. now यहां पर हमको नंबर ऑफ मोल्स पता चल गया. नाउ मोलर स्पेसिफिक हीट ऑफ हीलियम. मोलर स्पेसिफिक हीट ऑफ हीलियम, ये कितना हो जाएगा? बिकॉज इट इज अ मोनोएटॉमिक गैस. So in case of monoatomic, Cv is equal to how much? 3/2 R. Cv will be how much? 3/2 into 8.31 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse. This will be the value of Cv. Now temperature rises by 15 degrees Celsius, means del T will be how much? 15 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature difference. कितना rise हो रहा है वो is given. The temperature rises is given. So it can also be changed into Kelvin and will converted into Kelvin. We will get 15 Kelvin. क्योंकि ये temperature difference है. किसी दो टेम्परेचर के बीच का टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस डिग्री सेल्सियस में और केल्विन में क्या होता है? सेम होता है. तो ये हो गया आपका temperature difference. del T is given 15 degree Celsius. Heat required, we have to find out amount of heat required. और इसको हमने थर्मोडायनेमिक्स में पढ़ा है कि amount of heat required Q is equal to how much? हमने at constant volume पर पढ़ा है कि Q is equal to number of moles Cv into del T. Amount of heat required to rise the temperature from T1 to T2 means del T temperature rise करने के लिए जो at constant volume कितना लगता है? Q is equal to n Cv del T. Let us put the values of n, Cv and del T. We are having all these three values. So amount of heat will be how much? 2 into Cv is given 3/2 into 8.38 and temperature will be 15 Kelvin. So this will be how much? 45 into 8.31 and this is amount of heat. It is the form of energy. This will be in the unit of joule. So we will get how much? 373.95 joule. You can calculate by multiplying 45 into 8.331. Now let us see one last example. Let us see last example. A gaseous mixture consists of 16 gram. Question is, gaseous mixture contains 16 gram of helium and 16 gram of oxygen. Find the ratio Cp and Cv. We have to find out Cp and Cp upon Cv is equal to how much. ये कैलकुलेट करना है, थोड़ा फास्ट करते हैं. लेट अस सी. वी हैव द masses of helium. M helium is given 16 gram, M oxygen is given 16 gram, and molar mass of helium is how much? It is 4, and molar mass of oxygen is how much? We have calculated last numerical problem, 32. So number of moles of helium, ये इसको हम NHE करके रिप्रेजेंट कर देते हैं. मास अपॉन मोलर मास होता है 16/4. हाउ मच? दिस विल बी 4. एंड मोलर मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन 16/32. दिस विल बी 1/2. This is molar mass of oxygen. This is molar mass of helium. For monatomic helium gas, because helium is monoatomic and oxygen is diatomic, degree of freedom is 3. For monatomic, degree of freedom is 3. For this, F will be 3, and for diatomic, F is equal to 5. So in case of helium, Cp will be how much? Because we have a formula, Cp is equal to F/2R. So in case of helium के केस में क्या हो जाएगा? 3/2R. In case of oxygen, it will be 5/2R. Cv will be, or in case of oxygen, 5/2R. So we have, इसको हम Cv ले लेते हैं, इसको Cv days ले लेते हैं, या Cv for He, Cv for oxygen. Now, because we are having the mixture of this oxygen and helium, तो हम यहाँ से Cv कैलकुलेट करेंगे for mixture. This will be n number of moles of helium into specific heat capacity of helium at constant volume, similarly plus n days, या n helium, ये इसका helium का, उसके साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा, n oxygen into Cv of oxygen upon n of helium plus n of oxygen. यहाँ से हमारा टोटल Cv कैलकुलेट हो जाएगा for the mixture. So we will put the values 4 into 3/2R plus this will be how much? 1/2 into 5/2R upon 4 plus 1/2. On solving this, we will get how much? आप लोग कैलकुलेट करेंगे इसको. So we will get the value of Cv for mixture. This is for mixture. यहाँ से मिक्सचर के लिए हमको मिलेगा, we will get 29/18R. 29/18R. This will be Cv for mixture. So ratio of Cp upon Cv, this is equal to Cp upon Cv, and we know that value of Cp is Cv plus R upon Cv. उसको हम जब कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो what we will get? We will get 1 plus R upon Cv of mixture. This is for mixture and mixture. हम मिक्सचर के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं? फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं. We will get 1 plus 8.31 upon, we will put the value of, no, don't put the value of R, put the value of Cv, how much? 29 upon 18 आर, जब इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 1/1 + 18/29 आर। और इसको जब हम फिर फर्दर कैलकुलेशन करेंगे, यहाँ से आर कैंसल आउट हो जाएगा, सो वी विल गेट हाउ मच 47 आई थिंक 47/29 and this will be is equal to how much 1.62. This is the solution for the value of Cp upon Cv is equal to how much 1.62 for mixture of helium and oxygen. So these are the some numericals related to the specific heat of gases, and all these are in your syllabus. Specific heat of solid and specific heat of liquids, these two topics are removed from your syllabus, so you don't have to you have to read it, but it is not in your syllabus. So I have left this topic, these two topics, specific heat of solids and specific heat of liquids. So that's all for today's online class. Thank you, one and all.